Mark Zuckerberg co-founded the social networking website Facebook out of his college dorm room at Harvard University. Zuckerberg left college after his sophomore year to concentrate on the site, the user base of which has grown to more than 2 billion people, making Zuckerberg a billionaire many times over. Here are some of Mark Zuckerberg's most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. Building a mission and building a business go hand in hand. You are better off trying something and having it not work and learning from that than not doing anything at all. I think as a company, if you can get those two things right, having a clear direction on what you are trying to do and bringing in great people who can execute on the stuff, then you can do pretty well. I think a simple rule of business is, if you do the things that are easier first, then you can actually make a lot of progress. Advertising works most effectively when it's in line with what people are already trying to do. All of my friends who have younger siblings who are going to college or high school, my number one piece of advice is, you should learn how to program. A squirrel dying in front of your house may be more relevant to your interests right now than people dying in Africa. By giving people the power to share, we are making the world more transparent. I look at Google and think they have a strong academic culture. Elegant solutions to complex problems. Find that thing you are super passionate about. My goal was never to just create a company. A lot of people misinterpret that as if I don't care about revenue or profit or any of those things. But what not being just a company means to me is not being just that, building something that actually makes a really big change in the world. People don't care about what you say, they care about what you build. I am here to build something for the long term. Anything else is a distraction. Simply put, we don't build services to make money, we make money to build better services. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Move fast and break things. Unless you are breaking stuff, you are not moving fast enough. We look for people who are passionate about something. In a way, it almost doesn't matter what you're passionate about. The question I ask myself like almost every day is, am I doing the most important thing I could be doing? Helping a billion people connect is amazing, humbling, and by far the thing I am most proud of in my life. People think innovation is just having a good idea, but a lot of it is just moving quickly and trying a lot of things. There are people who are really good managers, people who can manage a big organization, and then there are people who are very analytical or focused on strategy. Those two types don't usually tend to be in the same person. I would put myself much more in the latter camp. This is our commitment to users and the people who use our service. Is that Facebook's a free service? It's free now. It will always be free. We make money through having advertisements and things like that. I do everything on my phone as a lot of people do. We're running the company to serve more people. I literally coded Facebook in my dorm room and launched it from my dorm room. I rented a server for $85 a month, and I funded it by putting an ad on the side, and we've funded ever since by putting ads on the side. I got my first computer in the 6th grade or so. As soon as I got it, I was interested in finding out how it worked and how the programs worked, and then figuring out how to write programs at just deeper and deeper levels within the system. I started the site when I was 19. I didn't know much about business back then. My friends are people who like building cool stuff. We always have this joke about people who want to just start companies without making something valuable. There's a lot of that in Silicon Valley. We want Facebook to be one of the best places people can go to learn how to build stuff. The question isn't, what do we want to know about people, it's, what do people want to tell about themselves? The thing that we are trying to do at Facebook is just help people connect and communicate more efficiently. The real story of Facebook is just that we've worked so hard for all this time. I mean, the real story is actually probably pretty boring, right? I mean, we just sat at our computers for 6 years and coded. Facebook is inherently viral. What really motivates people at Facebook is building stuff that they're proud of. Facebook is really about communicating and telling stories. We think that people can really help spread awareness of organ donation and that they want to participate in this to their friends. And that can be a big part of helping solve the crisis that's out there. More than 4 million businesses have pages on Facebook that they use to have a dialogue with their customers. Facebook was not originally created to be a company. It was built to accomplish a social mission to make the world more open and connected. When you give everyone a voice and give people power, the system usually ends up in a really good place. So, what we view our role is giving people that power. There are a few other things that I built when I was at Harvard that were kind of smaller versions of Facebook. I think that people just have this core desire to express who they are. And I think that's always existed. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.